Hello and welcome to this digital learning session. Could I first start by thanking you for attending, and could I ask you please to take part in answering the questions and do the little activity which I ask you to do. What we're doing in this first part is we're generating a little bit of data and simulating some pupil work which we go on to analyse and mark in the second phase. So there is actually a bit of method to my madness. Mrs. Beaton's family cookbook. The first phase of this quiz is to show you how a Microsoft Forms quiz looks on a phone. In some cases, a phone might be the only device that our pupils have to use. So that's why I've asked you to do this part using your phone. The Planets by Andrew Cohen and Professor Brian Cox. I have embedded this bit of video as the introduction to the session within the quiz, just really to show you that you can use videos embedded within a quiz, and you might want to use this within a lesson as a part of a tutorial or something to demonstrate a point, and then you can ask some questions to assess your pupils' learning from the video that they have just watched. Three Men in a Boat by Jerome K. Jerome. This quiz includes a few different types of questions, including multiple choice questions, questions with more than one answer, short text questions, longer text questions, and I am also going to ask you to do a little activity where you do a drawing, take a photograph of it, and then you can submit that photograph as part of the quiz. This might work quite well for pupils who have to do their work in a jotter, and it's a way that they could then submit that work, and it's all embedded within the quiz itself. The Gruffalo by the wonderfully eccentric Julia Donaldson. Phase 2 of this webinar is where we all get together and we see the quiz from the perspective of a teacher, and we will look at some of the automated marking features for automatically marking the multiple choice types of questions, and some of the shorter text questions. And then we'll also see how forms can bring together the longer type of answers that the pupils might give, which they may have input through the keyboard of their phone, or they have submitted a photograph of their jotters. National 5 Physics Success Guide, Lecky and Lecky. We will also see how assignments within Teams can be used to analyse and record the useful data which we have gathered from our pupils submitting their answers on the quiz, and we will see how that can be of benefit to us as teachers. Pugly Solves a Crime by Pamela Butchart. So can I now ask you to work your way through the quiz? It shouldn't take you too long, and we don't need any great works of art. And I'll see you